In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. This simple yet essential skill can greatly enhance the appearance and functionality of your documents, whether you're working on reports, resumes, or any other projects that might benefit from an organized tabular presentation of your data. First things first, let's get Microsoft Word up and running on your computer. To do this, you'll need to begin at the very heart of your Windows interface, the Start menu. Click on the Start button located typically at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the gateway to all the applications and settings on your computer, and it's where we'll start our journey today. Once you've opened the Start menu, you'll notice there's a search bar at your disposal. This handy feature allows you to quickly find just about anything on your computer. So go ahead and type in Word in the search bar. As you type, Windows will begin to filter through the applications and files on your computer, bringing up Microsoft Word as a top search result. It's quite intuitive and saves you the hassle of navigating through various menus and folders. Now click on Microsoft Word to open it. You might be greeted with a splash screen or taken straight to the Word homepage. If you've been working on a document recently, it might even open the last document you were working on. Once Word is open, you'll want to either go to the Word home for a new document or select an existing document you wish to insert a table into. This versatility means you can add tables to fresh pages or enhance existing work, giving you the flexibility to organize your content as needed. Next up, let's talk about navigating the Microsoft Word ribbon, a crucial component in maximizing Word's features. Look towards the top of the window for a series of tabs. Here you want to click on the Insert tab. This tab is essentially your toolbox for adding various elements to your documents, from pictures to hyperlinks, and of course tables. Upon clicking Insert, your next move is to locate the Table option. It should be relatively easy to find given it's one of the more commonly used features. Clicking on Table will open up a drop-down menu that provides several ways to insert a table into your document. The simplicity of this process is something Microsoft has really honed in on, making it user-friendly for individuals of all skill levels. At this point, you have a few choices for how to proceed. If you have a clear idea of how many rows and columns you need, you can use the grid that appears when you hover over Table. This visual method lets you select the exact table size by clicking and dragging across the grid until you've highlighted the number of rows and columns you want. Once you release the mouse, voila, a table corresponding to your selection will be inserted into your document. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to inserting a table in Microsoft Word. This feature is a powerful tool for organizing your data, enhancing reader comprehension, and improving the overall aesthetics of your documents. Remember, tables can be customized extensively after you've inserted them, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles, colors, and formats to match the table with the document theme or to make specific information stand out. Practicing these steps will not only make the process feel more intuitive over time, but will also open up more possibilities for you to explore and innovate within your documents. Microsoft Word is packed with features designed to enhance productivity and creativity, and mastering the art of inserting tables is just the beginning. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful, and we encourage you to keep experimenting with Microsoft Word to discover all the ways it can serve your document creation needs. Happy writing!